How to sell crypto on MoonPay. If you want to sell cryptocurrency on MoonPay, launch the MoonPay app and log into your wallet. Then from the top, go to the Sell tab by tapping the Sell option. Then from there, you can choose a particular cryptocurrency that you own and that you wish to sell. Type in how much crypto of that particular crypto you're choosing that you want to sell and enter your email address. Then you can enter your bank account information or eligible debit card where you want to receive your payout. Then provide any requested personal details and also complete your KYC if you are a new user. Then check the exchange rates and fee summary, then accept the terms to confirm the order. This way, you can sell cryptocurrency on MoonPay. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon as always in our next video.